Hello everyone, I am Srishti and welcome to your very own channel Yogriti. Today I bring to you a 30 minutes pranayama session. In these 30 minutes, we will be practicing 2 rounds of Kapalbhati, and in each round we will be taking 50 to 60 strokes of breath. Then we will be doing 10 minutes of Nadi SHUDDHI or Anulom Vilom. Then 20 rounds of Ujjayi breath, and finally we'll end the practice with a round of Bhramari. So let's get started. But before starting, I would request each one of you to please subscribe to my channel so that we stay connected and you do not miss out any video to learn about yoga asana or pranayama. If you wish to understand these pranayama in detail, then the link is given above. You can click on that link and check out the videos. The link is also given in the description box, so you can check it at the end of the video. So there are videos in which I have explained each of these pranayama in detail, the technique on how to do it, the benefits, the limitation and the common mistake that we tend to perform and how to avoid those common mistakes. So make sure you check out the pranayama list so that you do not miss on understanding the right technique and you give the maximum benefit to your body by practicing pranayama in the right technique. Now before starting, let us first understand the posture that we will be holding for these 30 minutes, post which we'll start the practice together. So you can come to any comfortable seated posture. You can cross both of your legs and come to Sukhasana, something like this. Or you can come to Padmasana. So you can fold your one leg and place it right on top of the other thigh and then place the other leg on top of the first leg, something like this. And we are in Padmasana. You can even come to Vajrasana. For Vajrasana, you have to bend both of your knees and bring your hips right on top of your heels. Let your hip rest onto your heels and then place both of your hands right on top of the thighs. And if you feel coming down onto the mat in a seated posture is not very comfortable for you, it is difficult for you to come down onto the mat, then you can even come into a sitting posture on your chair. But make sure your spine is completely straight. So let your back take the support of the chair, but make sure you're not leaning your body completely. Try to keep your spine straight, your shoulders rolled back, your neck, your head and your spine will be in a complete straight line. And you do not have to let your body get loose. Now this is a sitting posture for you. So you can select any of these sitting posture according to your body type, your convenience. And if you feel sitting on the mat is initially comfortable for you, but later you feel a little pain in the lower back or you feel there's an automatic hunch in the lower back, you tend to lose the posture, then a blanket or a cushion will be really helpful. So I would request you to pause the video and grab a blanket and place it underneath your hip. Lift your hip up. Place the blanket underneath your hip and sit on top of it. This will automatically elevate your hip and will give your body a better alignment. So you will not feel any tug or any pain in the lower back. So for today's session, I would rather recommend you to bring a blanket and sit on top of it. Because this session is going to be a 30-minute session, so a comfortable seated posture is a must. Now let us understand Chin Mudra. For today's session, mostly we will be holding Chin Mudra. So for Chin Mudra, you have to join the first finger and the thumb together and the other 3 fingers will be extended outwards. Now bringing both the hands in Chin Mudra, you have to let your hand rest right on top of the thigh, something like this. So the posture is any comfortable seated posture, your hands in Chin Mudra, your spine straight, and your eyes closed, no frowning of the eyebrows and your face relaxed. And let us just stay here for 1 minute. Calm your mind, calm your body, your eyes closed. Take some deep breaths in and some deep breaths out. Relax your body, relax your mind. Try to push away any thoughts that might be coming into your mind and prepare yourself for today's session. We are going to reserve these 30 minutes for just ourselves to heal our body from inside out. So make sure you're not getting distracted. Choose a beautiful, calm, well-ventilated area so that you get the maximum benefit out of this pranayama session. And now we'll be taking 2 rounds of Kapalbhati, and in each round we'll be taking 50 to 60 strokes of breath. Bring both of your hands in Chin Mudra, your eyes closed, and we'll start now. Continue doing it. Make sure your face is completely relaxed and you're not focusing on the speed, but rather you're focusing on your breath. So do not exert your body, do not put any extra pressure on your body, and be very mindful. Now, keeping your eyes closed, slowly come back to normal breathing. Just observe the calmness in the breath. Kapalbhati is an amazing pranayama which helps detox your body. It energizes your brain cells and activates your mind. It is an amazing pranayama to help resolve various breathing issues. It actually cleanses your body. It oxygenates your blood and improves the blood circulation, which automatically also gives you a very beautiful skin and a healthy skin and hair. This pranayama is very beneficial for diabetic patients and is also very helpful to improve digestion. So there are multiple benefits of this pranayama. And now we'll prepare ourselves for the second round. Your eyes are still closed. And let us start the second round. And now very slowly come back to normal breathing, your eyes still closed. We'll come out of Kapalbhati. Observe the calmness in the breath. And now we'll be practicing 10 minutes of Nadi Shuddhi or Anulom Vilom. Your spine still straight, Your right hand in Nasik Mudra, bring it right in front of your face. And now we'll start it together, reminding you to maintain the ratio of 1, 4 and 2 for inhalation, retention and exhalation. And women who are pregnant or are menstruating and even suffering from high BP, heart condition, vertigo and epilepsy should not hold the breath and rather just inhale from one nostril and exhale from the other. So we'll start it now. Continue doing Nadi Shuddhi. Make sure your eyes are closed, you're not frowning your eyebrows. If you wish to take the break, gently bring your right hand down. Just take a break for a few seconds and again come back to the pranayam. And if you feel your right hand hurts a bit, then you can even support your right hand with your left hand. Just give a little support to your right hand by placing your left hand underneath the elbow. Continue doing it. Again reminding you to keep your spine straight. If you feel a little numbness in your leg, then you can change the posture and again come back to Nadi Shuddhi. Make sure your spine is straight while you're doing it and your face is completely relaxed. Do not tense up your body. And now slowly, after having completed the cycle on the left and the right side, we'll bring our right hand back to Chin Mudra and let it rest on your right thigh. And with the closed eyes, just take a moment and observe the calmness in the breath. Your eyes still closed, just breathe normally. Feel the calmness in the breath. And now very gently and slowly open your eyes. Bring a smile to your face. Do not tense up your body. And now we'll practice 20 rounds of Ujjayi breath. I'll just quickly again explain to you Ujjayi breath and then we'll practice it together. So your eyes closed, your spine straight, both the hands in Chin Mudra. Slowly try to bring your focus completely to your throat. Imagine there's a small hole in the throat. And let's start the breath together. So take a deep inhale from the nostril. And exhale out through the nostril. Continue doing it at your own pace. And now gently we'll prepare ourselves to come out of this pranayama. Keep your eyes closed, come back to normal breathing. Observe the calmness in your breath. Try to bring your mind completely to a beautiful calm state. And now very gently open your eyes. And now we have come to our last pranayam, which is known as Bhramari. So I'll again quickly tell you how to do it and we'll practice it together. Now you can keep your hand as it is, or you can use your index finger or the middle finger to close your ears and your eyes closed. Or the third technique, which is most commonly seen, you can close your ears with the help of your thumb. Place your first finger right on top of your eyebrows and with the other three fingers very gently close your eyes. Now we'll take a deep breath in through the nostril, and while exhaling we'll chant Makara with the mouth closed. Now we'll start doing it together. Now anyone suffering from any kind of ear issue, have had a recent ear surgery, I'll request you to kindly not practice it and rather just take deep breaths in and out with your hands rested in Chin Mudra. For others who feel there is no issue with the ears, we can start practicing it together and we'll take just 10 breaths of Bhramari. For today I am using the third technique, so closing my ears with the thumb, placing the first finger on the eyebrows and the other three fingers are used to close the eyes. Make sure your tongue is touching the upper palate of your mouth and your lips are completely locked. Do not leave any air gap. And now we'll start it together. So take a deep inhale through the nostril. And while exhaling, chant Makara with the mouth closed. Continue doing it at your own pace. Now very gently with your eyes closed, bring your hands down to Chin Mudra and let your hands rest on top of your thighs. Just come back to normal breathing and observe the vibration in your body. Feel the vibration. Just calm your mind and we'll just stay here for 2 minutes. In a steady meditative posture, just breathe in and out and bring all your focus onto your breath. And now very slowly bring both of your hands right in front of your chest in Namaskar Mudra, your eyes still closed, and start rubbing your palms against each other. Create some warmth. And now place both of your hands right on top of your face, closing your eyes. Feel the warmth on your face. Give your face a very beautiful gentle massage. Now place both of your hands right in front of your chest and gently open your eyes to look straight into your palms. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this session with me. If you did, do not forget to like the video. Also leave your comments. Your comments really motivates me to bring more such videos for you. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that you get notified whenever I upload any kind of video related to yoga. I hope to again see you in the next session. Until then, take care of yourself, stay happy and stay positive. Thank you.